problem of Kenya has been one of leadership. And you people know, for your companies to succeed, it must start with the CEO. If you get it right at that level, you are good. True or false? What Kenya needed was a CEO who knows what he's doing, who has time, who has the energy, who has the passion, and who is willing to be a team leader of this great country. And I want to say, much as you people were incited against us and you almost gotten lost, the ordinary Kenyan knew the kind of leadership this country needed. But be as it may, from where I sit, listening to the president every day, his leadership revolves around investors, entrepreneurs, the business people, and creating the right environment for business to thrive and for creating wealth. Never again in this country, under the Ruto administration, will government ever criminalize enterprise, because it almost brought this country to a halt, where people who have no idea about business, people who have no idea about investments, people who have no idea about banking, they were let loose all over the economy and almost brought this country to a halt. That will not happen again.